Are you looking for a ranch-style new construction home with over 3,000 square feet? In this video, we're going to take a look at this 3,130 square foot new construction home by Eastwood right here in the Spartanburg County area. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by being their advisor, guiding and supporting them as they purchase their dream home and sell at the best price. And we would love to help you too. Now, we get calls, messages, and texts from people like you all the time. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 10 months, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this property here. New construction home, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. There is a small space upstairs which has a loft, a bedroom, and a full bathroom, which is where the 4th bedroom is. And there's also an office in this home as well. Very nice floor plan, so let's check it out. All right, so there is still construction going on. This is it's a new community. There's only a few people that have actually moved in. You can see construction vehicles still passing. You've got some, construction vehicles over there, a lot of construction going on. There's a couple of builders in this neighborhood, and Eastwood is one of them. And this home here, most of you, if you didn't want to go upstairs, you don't really have to go upstairs. So you've got 3 bedrooms on the main level, 1 upstairs, okay? And this is a hardy board community, so not vinyl siding. There is one of the builders that does have some vinyl siding on the other side of the neighborhood, but this side of the neighborhood, everything over here has the hardy board siding, okay? You got a little front porch area here. So you got some stone on the outside, nice little front porch. You can put some chairs out here, hang out. Some little glass panel on the side of the front door here. And as you come in, you can see that feel that you get when you first walk in. So this is the dining room area, plenty of, moldings. The trim package in here is pretty beautiful. Look at this side over here, okay? That's one of the things Eastwood does pretty well. They like to trim their homes out, and especially homes like this, and you usually have a lot of windows in their homes as well, so you get plenty of natural light coming into the homes, okay? So, and you can see here, and we're gonna check out, so you do have a half bathrooms, which is, a lot of times with these ranch style homes, you don't really get a half bath, right? So you usually get full bathrooms. So this one is your guest bathroom, your guest restroom here, so which is nice to have just that separation where your guests can use your the powder room, and then you have your full bath to serve whoever is using the bedrooms. Let's check out this side here. So you've got a little small hallway here, so a bedroom on each side of it, bathroom in between. So let's look at this one first. And decent sized room, 2 windows, and a walk-in closet in here. Luxury vinyl plank floors, actually flows, into this area as well. And there is a window in this bathroom as well. Comfort height sink vanities here, so not the shorter ones. And tub shower. You do have the LVP that's on the bathroom floor as well. Good linen closet. And another bedroom here. Also a walk-in closet, a little bit bigger than the other one. Okay, decent sized room. Okay, those are your Two bedrooms, two other bedrooms on the main level. As you can see, this is a split bedroom, so primary is on the other side of the home. And let me just pan around here, show you this foyer area, the trim package. All right, let's go upstairs while we're on this side of the home. No carpet on the stairs, which is great, so you don't have to worry about cleaning those things because they can be pretty hard to clean with the carpet. Plenty of windows in here, so good natural light coming into this loft area. And there's a little bit of flooring in the attic, not much storage, but you could maybe put a couple, Christmas tree or something, Christmas decorations. The bathroom for the upstairs, you got the, rectangular sinks in here. And the bedroom for the upstairs, closet for it. And a couple of windows up here as well. So good natural light coming in to this home. Lots of recessed lighting in this home as well. All right, so let's go on this side. So that side goes into the kitchen area, which is gorgeous. So you'll be impressed when you see that. So the kitchen actually kind of starts from here. So you got the, Butler's pantry here, additional cabinets in this area. And then there's also a pantry there. But let's check out this side first and then we'll go over there. So right here is the garage. So 2-car garage, tankless water heater to serve everybody in the home. There is a little area here where you can, you can have your, garage refrigerator, additional storage, whatever you want to use it for. Attic access is in the garage for the other parts of the house. That's, you have one attic access upstairs for the other side of the house. Okay, and you got this little area here. Could be a little mudroom area. You could put a bench there or whatever you want to put there. And closet here. So you got the coat closet and the laundry room. You do have the laundry pass-through right there that goes into the primary bedroom closet. So you can just, pass your laundry through into this laundry room area. So this neighborhood, conveniently located, there are, like shops, restaurants not far. If you wanted to get on the highway, access to the highway is not too far from here. So you drive a little bit, you get on the highway. It is Spartanburg County, but it's not like, deep into Spartanburg or anything like that. This is more of the closer to Greer, Five Forks area of Simpsonville, a Duncan, type area. So the neighborhood is conveniently located, and there are the great amenities package in this neighborhood, which I'll talk about in a minute, okay? Let's continue on our tour. All right, so back here, all right, so let me get get our bearings back right here, okay? So front door, dining room, and the other bedrooms on the other side, upstairs, and then this area here, which takes us to the kitchen. We did go to the garage, laundry room area. So now let's check out the rest of this home. Nice size pantry here. Okay, so a mini walk-in pantry. Kitchen is built-in microwave, oven. This refrigerator goes there, and tile backsplash. Beautiful kitchen. Got the, the fume hood there that is vented out. Gas range, And you got the two-tone kitchen. There are actually, you got the cabinets on this side as well. The cabinets are soft close, but the drawers are not. So which is kind of weird, why they wouldn't put the soft close on the drawers as well as the cabinets. But the cabinets are, the cabinet doors are soft close. Stainless steel pulls. You got your pendant lighting hanging down over the island. Nice size island, by the way. You can put a few bar stools here. Like I said, gas range, stainless steel appliances. Okay, you got some of these pull-outs here. And oh, it's got a nice little outlet right there on the side. Okay. And let's see here. Pan around, show you this kitchen. Beautiful. And then right here would be where your breakfast area would go. Your breakfast table would be right here. So you could pretty much put like a long table here that kind of, could be the same size as this island. It'll probably look really beautiful. Again, nice trim package in here, gas log fireplace. And look at all the windows. Doors with glass, windows, window. I mean, it's windows everywhere. That's the primary bedroom side over there, so we'll check it out in a minute. All right, so let's check out the office. So this is your study, office. A couple of windows in here. Check out the trim package. Glass doors. And again, the LVP all the way around. And let's check out the outside. It's a nice place to kind of hang out. You should easily screen this in. And you still have a little extra pad there, out there if you wanted to put the grill outside. But this is a good size space right here. Manageable size lot. Obviously, this is a 3,130 square foot home, so it takes up a lot of footprint. So yeah, you got a little bit of yard space here. Nothing too big, nothing too hard to maintain. Yeah, again, party board siding. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, this is a good time to do it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, let's continue on our tour. All right, so let's check out this primary bedroom suite. So which is on the separate side of the house by itself. So you got a couple of windows in here, crown molding, and ceiling fan in here as well. And in here, double sinks. You've got plenty of, drawers and cabinets. It does have a bathtub. A lot of times some of these homes, these days they don't really build them with bathtubs. So you got a nice garden tub here, tiled surround, and the shower tiled all the way to the ceiling. Niche. There's a bench in there, so you can be able to kind of, sit down or prop your foot up on it, which is what I do with mine. Water closet here, and you got that pass through that goes into the laundry room right there, walk-in closet. So yeah, that's this ranch style new construction home here. So, all right, so what do you think? It's beautiful, right? So this home is actually, it's listed for $493,000, a little bit over $493,000. And the builder, actually right now, they're offering up to 3% of the price of the home towards the closing costs. So, and really nice incentive there. And plus, They also have interest rate incentive as well, and it's 5.49% interest rate for the government loan. So if you're doing an FHA, VA loan, USDA. I'm not sure if this neighborhood qualifies for USDA, so I have to check that out and to make sure. But FHA or VA, you get the special interest rate, plus you get that 3% of the sales price towards your closing costs. So if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, there are great amenities package here. There's a pool, playground, there's pickleball courts in here as well, walking trails. They have a couple of hammocks in the neighborhood where you can go out there, hang out, and just kind of relax and enjoy the amenities area. So let us know if you're interested or know someone who might be interested. Let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or you can visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. It's a pretty hot day in South Carolina today, so man, I'm gonna try to stay cool. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.